Hey man, it's here, dude. It's beautiful.
Say hello to my little friend. Man, look at that. An actual Thompson. Good old Chicago typewriter. Is that not slick? $16.95, we got them. Love that thing. It's heavy too. And for those of you who may not be quite that crazy, but still a little nutty, there's the Ruger SFAR 308. And we have the Ruger American in a shortened bull barrel, bolt action. This one is a, what is this one? 6.5 Creedmoor. I knew what it was. I didn't have to look. 6.5 Creed, Ruger American, very nice. Have that in 308 up by the front door too. But there again, I keep going back to the D3 Defense 300 hammer. I'm gonna have one of these. That I'm really anxious to try that 300 hammer load. Good stuff.